Friends and family and fellow YouTubers are expected to turn out today in order to pay their final respect to McNeil, more popularly known as Leegates. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The funeral service for the late McNeil, more popularly known as Leegates from Leegates Entertainment, is set for today, Saturday, November 26, starting at 11 a.m. The funeral service will be held at the Lionel Town Open Bible Church in Clarendon. The popular Clarendon blogger Leegates McNeil was murdered in Hayes, Clarendon just hours after commenting on a double murder in the neighboring community of Portland Cottage. McNeil, aged 36, was the founder of Leegates TV and Entertainment, had expressed grave concern about Jamaica's murder rate in his Facebook Live video just 5 hours before his life was taken.
Jaja. Father, what is going on in these times? Why so much murders? Why so much shootings? Why so much crime? Why so much? Why? I swear, I don't know why I go on. I don't know why so much shooting, why so much things are going on in them time. I swear, people, we need God. Me I wonder if nobody no fear God again, if nobody no business with other people life or what. People, what go on? What you think? Tell me what go on. Me on the way to the hospital right now. You understand, to the Lionel Town Hospital. However, me there mineralites. You know, me I go take probably like 10 minutes to reach down there. You understand what I say? And if you cut off, I basically the service in the area, and then you know see me go live when we reach back down that side. You understand what I say? Leegates TV and Entertainment. So we just on the way down to the hospital, and we are going to get further information. You understand? Yeah, man. But people, I ask you to please, including myself, you just be careful. You don't know out there, because a whole heap of things are going on and a whole heap of people involved in some little things. Right? You see me? You have to just careful when they are around certain people or whatever. You see me, I don't know if it's scamming, I don't know if it's robbery, I don't know what is going on. I don't know what I go on, I just head down to Lionel Town and I go see what I go on. You understand me? I say, so people, you just don't know, you go and share the life. You just go and share the life, you see me? Yeah, man. You go and share the life. And I can't say, boy, people, if people think about people as their family, because you know what? Me see what he had one brother tonight at the setup. A sister kill a brother. Up a hazard drive. You understand? A sister give him brother about couple stab and kill him. Them in some simple quarreling, simple argument, and his sister turn around and kill him brother. The other day again, one nephew kill his uncle up a cross right in front of Rapid. A nephew kill his uncle. Simple argument, and a man just boom, kill him. The other day down at Westmoreland, a brother kill him brother. Again, them have some quarrel, and the brother must use a machete and slap him up. Him pull a knife from him waist. Bam, 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 kill him brother. So you can't even say, boy, think about a man as your cousin and think about a man as your family, and know say you wouldn't do him something. Because right now, brother kill brother, sister kill sister, mother kill son, son kill mother, father, everybody. You get to me and say the other day, I seen in the paper, a youth confess to killing father. You get to me and say them give him, I think, no, them charge him, and them are going to give him sentence one of them time here. See the other day, my youth, they were named Russian Barnett, killed in five family member. So me can't even say, boy, think about people as your brother and think about people as your sister and think about people as your mother. I don't know if the granny them now done much nowadays, because the granny them now talk to the youth them about Christ, or nobody does not believe in a God again, because I end that time and I be things are going on. So Nobody never busy about nobody right now. Nobody never busy about God. Nobody not busy about nothing. A man just want to know say him make more dopey and I him make that dopey and I him this and I him that. And that of him status. And when the police they say, alright, we are gonna shoot all of these people them. All of a sudden be a protest and all of these things. Yes, the police them, some of the police them are going to abuse their rights. You understand? Because we know them all do that. The simplest thing them and a man catch up, boom, them all shoot and give a gun or them all shoot and jack yard. You get what I say? But things are going too much now. Things are going too much. Things are going too much. Nobody no love nobody again. Nobody no love for nobody again. The simplest thing a man and a man catch up, nobody can talk over nothing again. Come on, man. People could have talk over things one time, could have talk over certain little things go on and you know. Now, as you and a man catch up a man and say, alright, stay here so boom, as he come back a dead. And then he kill you, he kill your mother, he kill your father, he kill your brother, and kill everybody. You get what I say, people? So, we have to just careful. We have to just careful while you're out this, because this is a taxi. And basically, them just shoot up the taxi, I guess. Because we see one of the banner changing it and our funds in it, and as we can show the video. You understand? See video there? This is the driver of the motor vehicle. He used to work at the Money Must Sugar Company. And this is the occupant of the vehicle. The next occupant of the vehicle. Look, there's change in her and our money in her hand. So you see it? See that? So this is not a robbery or anything. You understand? So basically, something go on. You see me? We are not police. We are not police. Me just I go find out, you know, if more than one person get shot or whatever. Because right now you have to be careful what you do right now. If I even by just covering these little stories, them, if it just make people know say the place now run good, a man, bad man, and want to kill us same way. So we have to be careful out there as vloggers and some. And some of these vloggers too, they sometimes they call up some people name. We have to wonder if them really seeing, if them really have sense. You understand? Yeah, man.
The Hayes police report that at around 5:55 p.m., McNeil was at a party when a group of men allegedly came up and opened fire, hitting him multiple times. The police were alerted, and on their arrival, McNeil was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. Another person was also shot during the incident. Mr. McNeil's social media presence rose to prominence following his coverage of the family member of four and the mother that was taken out in Clarendon in Cocoa Peace to be exact. We here at Links 007 TV News Report just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to his family and friends during this difficult time. And we hope that they do find the strength to cope, as we know that this is a difficult loss for the whole entire family. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.